Baker Road. 95 yun.
Yeah. Pwede Becker Road sa ano din.
Right sa Baker Road.
Pag nag-left, oh yeah, Becker Road, right, that's 95. We're heading to Yellow Green Farmers Market in Hollywood, Florida. Magusyoso lang. Tingnan natin. I'll send you pictures. Mapapasabak na naman si Tesla. We're heading to I-95. Ilang miles yun from here? We'll see. Okay. I-update na lang namin kayo in a little while. Sayang yung aking battery. Okay.